Hi everyone, today I will show you how to download YouTube video on your PC or laptop in a very fast and easy way. First, open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome. Now, go to the search bar and type YouTube and click enter. Open the official YouTube website from the search results. You will see the YouTube homepage in your browser. Now, click on three dot, click download and wait few seconds. Scroll down, click on download. Here your downloaded video. That's it. This is how you can easily download YouTube video on your PC.